Hi and welcome to the SQL Superhero Program. I'm Nick and I first want to say thank you for putting your faith in me and in the BI school. So here's how this thing's going to work. We're going to start by downloading and installing all the necessary software and a few test databases too. And then we're going to get into learning SQL. It's in three main modules and I've called them walk, run and fly. Now some bits might get heavy going, but hopefully it will be engaging and interesting and you'll be able to see your skills growing with every lesson that you complete. There are around about 30 core SQL lessons in the program. Now when I pitched this to you in my ads or on my website, I'll have been banging on about trying to get this completed in 10 weeks. And while that is perfectly feasible, that does depend on you being able to commit to 3 or 4 at least sessions a week. But we all have families, commitments, jobs, social lives. So realistically, if you can do 2 or 3 sessions a week, then it might take a little longer, but you'll get there. And you're less likely to end up sick of the sight of my face or the sound of my voice. So after the SQL, we get into the LinkedIn part where I show you how to use LinkedIn to find recruiters and employers and to try and get a job. And then we're going to look at the SQL technical assessments for interviews section. So what can you expect from me? Well, I'm going to teach you everything I know. Simple as that. I'm going to show you every command, technique and approach that I've picked up in 20 years of working with SQL. It's my #1 priority to support you and make sure you get through this. It's not about me. It's all about you. Now, what do I expect from you? Well, I expect you to watch every video, do every challenge, attend those drop-in sessions whenever you can, and if you're stuck, ask. Either get on the drop-in session or send me an email or send me a WhatsApp message, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. I expect you to give it your best shot, and I will too. So are you ready to kick this thing off? It all starts here. Now, here's a final thought to set you on your way. There's action and there's inaction, and right in the middle stands procrastination with its big hairy arms outstretched, waiting to give you a big bear hug and carry you off somewhere where life is easy. Now you've taken a huge positive step by signing up to this program. So between us, we're going to kick procrastination out of your life, and GTFOWI, that stands for get the fun on with it. So let's go, and I'll see you in that first lesson.